In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use repeaters with Wix Studio. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to Wix Studio. If you haven't already logged in, take a moment to do that. This will bring up the main dashboard where you can manage all your projects. Within this interface, let's navigate to the left-hand side and locate the Add Elements button. Click on that. Once you've done this, you'll see a variety of options, each allowing you to customize your website more precisely. Now, let's move to the Layout tools. This is an essential part of designing with Wix because it helps you control how different components appear on your web page. By clicking on Layout tools, you directly access several features designed to help you achieve the website structure you envisioned. The most important of these, for the purpose of this video, is the Repeaters option. Go ahead and click on it. Repeaters are incredibly useful tools because they allow you to create repeating structures that you can customize to display dynamic content efficiently. Next, you'll need to choose a repeater that fits your desired layout. You'll be presented with several stylistic options. Pick one that suits the overall aesthetic you're aiming for on your site. Once you've selected, click on your chosen repeater to activate it on your page. Now, a critical step: navigate to the inspector. The inspector is your control hub for anything you've integrated into your site. Click on it to begin customizing your repeater in detail. With the repeater selected, it's time to manage it to suit your specific needs. Click on Manage. This area allows you to control the content displayed in each repeater item, linking it to databases if needed, or altering static text and images. Make sure everything aligns with your content strategy. After managing, click on Design. Here you can modify the visual appearance like colors, fonts, or backgrounds, ensuring that the repeater looks cohesive with the rest of your site's design. Next up is the Layout section. Clicking here lets you adjust the orientation and positioning of your repeater elements. You can decide how many items are displayed per row and tweak other layout aspects to better fit your page's design flow. Once that's settled, proceed to the Position tab. This section is crucial as it allows you to place your repeater precisely where you want it on the page, ensuring it stays in the perfect spot as you're designing. Lastly, head over to Cursor. This might seem subtle, but the cursor interaction can enhance user experience, so make sure it complements the interaction style of your overall design. By the end of all these steps, your repeater should be perfectly integrated into your Wix site, both functional and visually pleasing. And that's it! You've successfully set up a repeater in Wix Studio. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on building your perfect website.